Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a simple bell in Fishing Planet. First, take your simple bell and attach it firmly to the very tip of your fishing rod. Make sure it's secure and won't fall off during casting or when a fish bites. This placement ensures you'll hear the bell clearly, signaling any activity on your line. It's a straightforward and effective way to detect bites. Once your bell is attached, cast your line into the water, aiming for a good fishing spot. After casting, place your rod in a rod holder or carefully lay it on the ground. The key is to keep the rod stable and still. Now, simply relax and wait. The bell will do the work of alerting you to any fish activity, allowing you to enjoy the scenery. When a fish takes your bait, the simple bell will start to ring. It's important to listen for a sustained ringing, not just a quick jingle which might be caused by wind or current. A steady ring means a fish is actively pulling on your line. This is your cue to get ready. Be prepared to react swiftly and grab your rod. As soon as you hear that consistent ringing, quickly pick up your rod. Give a gentle, upward tug to set the hook firmly in the fish's mouth. Then begin to reel in your catch with a steady, smooth motion. Avoid jerking the rod, which could cause the fish to get off the hook. Keep the line taut and enjoy bringing in your fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.